This combination of vitamins provides vitamin B6, vitamin B12 and folic acid to people who do not have enough of these vitamins for good health. This combination of vitamins provides vitamin B6, vitamin B12 and folic acid to individuals who do not have sufficient levels of these vitamins for their overall health. This medication is taken by mouth, with or without food, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. If you experience stomach upset, it may help to take this product with food. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, use it at the same time each day. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to therapy. Some common side effects of Fabb may include nausea, stomach upset, diarrhea, drowsiness, flushing, and numbness/tingling. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Tell your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental/mood changes or unusual weakness. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada. Before taking Fabb, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in the medication. It's important to also let them know about your medical history, especially if you have certain blood disorders. Fabb may make you feel sleepy, and using alcohol or marijuana can make this effect even stronger. Avoid driving or using machinery until you know how the medication affects you, and talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you are pregnant, only use Fabb if it is absolutely necessary, and discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. Interactions with other drugs can affect how Fabb works and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the medications and products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication without consulting your doctor. Some products that may interact with Fabb include altretamine, cisplatin, levodopa, folic acid antagonists, and hydantoins. It's also important to be aware that Fabb may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure to inform the lab personnel and your doctors that you are using this medication. If someone has taken too much Fabb and has serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, call 911 right away. Otherwise, contact a poison control center immediately. In the United States, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. If you're in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with anyone else. Your doctor may want to do some lab tests while you're taking this medication, so be sure to keep all of your medical appointments. It's best to get your vitamins and minerals from healthy foods, like leafy greens, vegetables, and citrus fruits. Some brands of this medication may also contain other ingredients, so if you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, take it when you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just wait and take that one as usual. Don't take 2 doses at the same time to make up for the missed one. Keep Fabb at room temperature and away from light and moisture, but not in the bathroom. Make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it's expired or you no longer need it, be sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.